Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy, with millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. Since we encourage you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the control panel on your electric range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Open the oven door and use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screws, securing the control panel's lower cover. Remove the cover. Next, unthread the two screws securing the control panel to the frame. Place a towel on the cooktop surface, then detach the control panel and rest it on the towel. Disconnect the display board wire connector and the touchpad ribbon connector. Note the orientation of the four control knobs, then pull them off of the switch stems. Unthread the screws securing the control knob bezels and the surface element switches to the control panel. Detach the indicator lights and pull out the jewels. Next, unthread the 5 screws securing the display board mounting bracket and protective covers. Remove the screws to detach the 2 end caps. You're now ready to prepare the new control panel for installation. Align the 2 end caps and secure them with the screws. Position the display board and mounting bracket. Align the protective covers. Then thread and tighten the screws. Insert the 2 jewels, then clip the indicator lights onto the jewels. Confirm the gaskets are aligned on the switch stems, then position the switches in the new control panel. Align the bezels with the red markings on top, then thread and tighten the screws to secure. Slide the control knobs onto the appropriate switch stems. Connect the wire connector to the display board and the ribbon connector to the touchpad. Now align the control panel on the front brackets. Secure it with the screws. Replace the lower cover, then thread the screws to secure. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and the electric range should be ready for use. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.